Welcome back to more tips from the Mom Boss Mafia. Just wanted to do a quick run through. This is something that is really cool to have as far as really branding your business and making you look more professional in the future. It is absolutely not necessary, but it's really cool. There is some cost involved in it. I think Google charges I don't know, we'll look when we get into the pricing part of it, like $5 or $6 a month to have a Gmail that is for us, it's like mine is Justin at thebusymommanny.com. Just like, if you're working for a corporation like Coca-Cola, it would be Justin at Coca-Cola.com. Just helps you brand the business. And like I said, it's not necessary at all, but it's a really cool thing to have. And this is all going to be using G Suite, which is just Google. So if you like Google, I love Google. It includes things like the Gmail account, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Calendar, all those things. So you can kind of organize your whole business together. So it's pretty cool to have. And you're going to kind of, if you're already used to using Gmail anyways, you can create your Gmail account, but instead of it being at gmail.com, it's going to be at your url.com. So at thebusymommanny.com is what it is for us. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and show you how to sign up. I'm going to sign up using one of our other URLs since I already have my URL set up here for ours. So what you're going to do is going to go to just G Suite, type in G Suite right here. And it's going to go to gsuite.google.com. And click Get Started. And it's a very simple walkthrough. This is a business, so you're going to type in your business name. So our business name here is going to be just Cammy Ryan. Number of employees, obviously it's just yourself. Country, United States, obviously next. And then you're going to type in your name. So I can remember what my name is, Justin Ryan. And we're going to type in for the current email address is my just basic email that I use for everything. So ideally, if you already have a Gmail account, this is where you'd want to put your Gmail in here, just because it makes it easy. But if you don't, you can put your Yahoo or your AOL if you're 100 years old and you still have an AOL address. Click Next, and then this is where we're going to go. So if you watched the first video that we did based on creating a URL, this is where you're going to type in what your domain is. So for us, it's thebusymommanny.com. So yes, I have one that I can use. Type it in. We already have the Busy Mom Manny set up, so we have another URL that's just cammyryan.com. And so we're going to use that one here just so I can do the full walkthrough. And it says use this domain to set up the account. Yes, next. So I want the URL or the sign in to be Cammy at cammyryan.com, and then you're going to pick a password here. Click that you're not a robot, agree and continue. So it's a pop-up stuff over here. Load. And boom. All right, so let's see here what the options for on this one. Obviously, you can try it free. It's not this much if you actually go through. Let's go ahead and click Next. There's a few other options. Oh, went too far. Here it is. So if you look in the middle here, this is going to show you the flexible plan. So it's what they want you to sign up for, which is $12 a month. You don't need to pay $12 a month for this. You can downgrade. I don't know if it shows you the prices on here. But the first 14 days is free, and obviously you're going to ask for a credit card or whatever to put in there. But once you sign up, you can go ahead and downgrade to just the G Suite Basic. This is just G Suite Business. This is an upgraded version of that. So I think we pay $6 a month to have a URL or to have the email in there, and you have like an option of 4 or 5 different ones. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and click Yes, Next, because I'm just going to delete this one anyways because we're not actually using this one. This is just to give you an idea of how to do this. All right, guys, I went ahead and skipped ahead. I didn't really want everybody to use my credit card information for their website, so I skipped through that. Once you put in your credit card information, it's going to come here to the G Suite account has been created. So continue to set up. We're just a few more steps away here. So it's going to tell you, welcome to the admin console. and you're going to have several different options. So easy peasy here. This is about an hour easier than what it was 10 years ago. Literally just click here, activate Gmail for CamiRyan.com. And route your emails to Gmail boxes. So it says it takes 5 minutes. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of that. This video total should be about 10 minutes long. So go ahead. It recognizes my domain name as CamiRyan.com being hosted by GoDaddy. So we're going to go ahead and sign in to activate that. Instead of having to go in and create all the different DNS advanced settings, it's literally just going to log you into your GoDaddy account from the G Suite account. So this may take just a second to load. All right, so now it's going to ask me to click to connect, authorize Google to log into my GoDaddy account, which obviously we want to. We want the Google, the G Suite to communicate with GoDaddy. I know this sounds very cumbersome, but as long as you follow these steps and just walk through this, it's very simple. You do it once and it's done, and then it works like a regular Gmail. So this is going to take about 5 minutes. So I'm going to just go ahead and pause this, and we'll come back when this is done activating Gmail. All right, so that was it took for me about 8 minutes. It could take 5 to 10 minutes for that part. I just kind of skipped across that. But so now it says, Gmail is set as activated for CamiRyan.com. So we're going to create a new user. Actually, I don't think we need to. I think it automatically creates the Cami at CamiRyan.com. So we're going to skip that. And you're all set up to use G Suite now. So the two things we've done is just linked this to our GoDaddy account and created an email. So the email, as we set up, is Cami@CamiRyan.com. And even though that's CamiRyan.com, that's still an actual Gmail account. So you'll log into it like if you've never used Gmail. Certainly there's somebody out there who's never used a Gmail before. So we'll just do a sample. So now that I've created that, this is what you do. It's as simple as this. So go to your browser, type in gmail.com. Mine's gonna look a little bit different. Well, it's because it's already gonna be logged into something. So, you'll come over here, log into your Gmail account. Let's see if I can log out so I can show you how to sign out of all my Gmails. I've got about 11. So, continue. You won't see any of this. So basically, you're gonna type in your email, which is gmail.com. We'll do gmail.com. Choose an account. So I have tons of them. What you're going to do is you'll type in what the username you created, which is Cami@CamiRyan.com. And it's going to ask you to put in your password. And log in. So this is to be the first time logging into this because we just created this. So you accept the cookies and stuff and all that fun, the EULA. And then here you go. So here's your Gmail account. Okay, so if you need advice on how to use a Gmail, that's going to be a totally different video because I'm going to assume most people have used a Gmail. And with running this business, I'm going to recommend having a Gmail. And now we've created a business Gmail. This is one that's going to cost you a few bucks a month, but it's going to allow you to have your first name at whatever your URL is .com. So for us, our regular one is going to be, for me, it's Justin at thebusymommanny.com. And it just looks, like I said, it looks very professional. It's good to use to grow a business. So I'm going to do a separate video on how to just create a simple Gmail, which is just going to be whatever you want at gmail.com, just in case anybody has never used that before. But this is what I recommend. But like I said, it's definitely not necessary. It's going to cost you a few bucks a month. And like I said, the one that we logged into is going to be your $12 a month cost to do this. So you'll want to make sure that you go back in to your settings, and so sorry that cut out just a second. So since you went ahead and signed up, you want to make sure you downgrade to just your basic. So the easiest way to do that is from wherever you're at, just type in admin.google.com. You were already logged in, so you should still be logged in. If not, it's just going to ask you to log in using your name and password that you created. Click dashboard. Do not click dashboard. Sorry, don't click dashboard. Go ahead and here, billing. Click billing to your manage subscriptions and billing. And this will pull up a little bar here. It says G Suite Business. So you're using the business account right now at $12 a month. Go over to Actions and click Downgrade to G Suite Basic. Also, the same thing here. If you decide to cancel this, this is how you cancel. Downgrade to G Suite Basic. Downgrade. You don't need anything more than Basic at this point. And see, then it goes to $6 per month for your user. So the $6 a month is what it's going to cost you to have this email set up where you are your name at your url.com. So I know this is a little bit confusing. So if you guys have any questions, just email me, Justin at thebusymommanny.com, and I'll answer any of them for you. Like I said, this is a little bit advanced. It's not necessary. It's just really nice to have in the long run, just to kind of make you look a little more professional. So hopefully this was helpful. Once again, if you guys have any questions on accessing this, just let me know. This allows you to use Gmail just as you would usually, where you just download the Gmail app on your phone and type in your email address, which is going to be your name at your url.com and then your password. So hopefully this is helpful.